Hi, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to make these super easy flower pot pudding dirt cups. Here's a quick overview of the recipe and what they look like before we get started. And a quick overview of the ingredients before I go into depth and tell you what you need. Any kind of marshmallow, any kind of pudding you like, any flavor, any kind of chocolate sandwich cookie, some sprinkles for decoration, milk, it cannot be a milk substitute, some M&Ms for decoration or any other candies, a tablespoon for putting on the decorations, a whisk, a bowl for mixing, a liquid measuring cup, and this makes 4 servings, so 4 serving cups. And here's before we get into it. The first step is obviously to wash your hands. Make sure you do it nice and thoroughly. First, we're going to measure out 2 cups of milk and pour it into the mixing bowl. Then you're going to open up your chocolate pudding and pour that into the 2 cups of milk. We have the instant kind, so we're just going to whisk it together until thoroughly blended and uniform consistency, and then you can set it to the side to let it set up. Then you're going to take your chocolate sandwich cookies and put those into a Ziploc baggie and start crushing them up. You can use anything you like, and you can also get creative here and crush up any other kinds of toppings you would like. We also had pretzels, so we decided to put those on top as well. While the pudding is still setting up, you can open up your marshmallows and take them out. We have Peeps, but if you want it to look like this picture, you can cut your regular jumbo marshmallows in half and dip them into the sugar to make them look like flower petals. Once your pudding is done setting up, you can start dishing it into 4 equal servings. Once that's all done, you can take your toppings and start layering them on top of your pudding. You can really get creative and choose whatever you like, including pretzels or candy or even some rainbow sprinkles, anything you like. We also added whipped cream before we placed our marshmallows on top. And then if you want it to look like a flower, you can put M&Ms in the center or just on top. And here's the finished product. Don't forget to clean up after yourself and throw away all the trash. Enjoy!